What is wealth gap? Two monkeys, same jungle, same tree. One monkey have one banana. Other monkey have 10,000 banana. Monkey with one banana sad. Monkey with 10,000 banana builds second treehouse just for extra banana. This is wealth gap. Monkey wake up. Monkey pick banana. Monkey trade banana for leaf. Leaf is money. Monkey save leaf. Life good. One day, monkey look around. Monkey notice some monkey have small leaf pile. Some monkey have leaf mountain so big it block the sun. Monkey ask, how did leaf mountain get so tall? Answer, make monkey brain hurt. Here is how leaf mountain grow. Poor monkey use all leaf to survive. Poor monkey eat banana, pay rent for tree, buy medicine when monkey sick. No leaf left over. Rich monkey already have banana. Rich monkey already have tree. So rich monkey take extra leaf and buy more banana tree. Now, banana tree grow banana while rich monkey sleep. This called owning assets. Asset is thing that makes money by itself. Poor monkey trade time for leaf. Monkey work, monkey get paid, monkey stop working, leaf stop coming. Rich monkey trade leaf for more leaf. Tree work for rich monkey. This is the difference. One monkey climb. One monkey own the ladder. When you own the ladder, you charge every monkey who climb it. Now, big word time. Compounding. Compounding is when leaf make baby leaf and baby leaf make baby leaf. Rich monkey have 100 banana tree. Each season, trees make more trees. 10 trees become 20. 20 become 40. Poor monkey with one banana become one eaten banana. You cannot compound a snack. Wait, so the monkey who already have leaf get more leaf just for having leaf? That's the whole game? Ramen didn't die for this. Yes, that's the whole game. This is why gap get wider even when nobody do anything wrong. Escalate. Rich monkey also get things poor. Monkey cannot. Rich monkey borrow leaf at cheap rate because bank trust monkey with leaf mountain. Poor monkey borrow leaf at scary rate because bank nervous. So poor monkey pay more to borrow, rich monkey pay less. The monkey who need help most get charged the most. Then rich monkey teach baby monkey about leaf, pay for good treehouse school, give baby monkey starter banana. Head start compounds too. Real jungle example. Long ago, jungle had big gap. Then war and rules and taxes shrink gap for while. Middle monkey grow strong. But over many season, leaf mountains creep back up. Top few monkey now hold more banana than the bottom half of jungle combined. Not because they climb harder, because their trees never stop growing. Gap is not a bug. Gap is what happened when nobody trimmed the trees. Quick word from monkey sponsor, still in monkey voice, do not run away. Today, video kept alive by monkey app that let you buy tiny slice of banana tree with tiny leaf. You not need whole tree. You buy one branch. Then your branch make baby branch while you sleep. Monkey like that. Link in monkey description. Now, poor monkey can own asset too, and that is how gap gets smaller. What can you do? Stop trading only time for leaf. Buy little pieces of tree, even tiny ones. Let compounding work for you instead of against you. Learn the boring words before the boring words cost you leaf. And be patient, because tree grow slow, but tree grow. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue monkey. Monkey only own 2 banana and 1 emotional support leaf. Thank you to every monkey watching Primate Portfolio. Baby monkey, old monkey, confused monkey, all welcome in the troop. If monkey help brain grow, smash subscribe. And comment which boring money word you want monkey to explain next. Trim your trees, grow your branches. Stay strong, little apes.